Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over a coin called GMX and let you know that this is not financial advice. This is extremely high risk deal right here with this coin. Okay, very small coin, low cap coin, and it does leverage trading. So there is a lot. I can't stress this enough. There's a lot of risk behind this coin, but there's a setup coming up. If you missed it, I'm going to show you guys something that's actually could be going on with this coin if you are interested with GMX. Gone over a little bit. It's going to be, you can see here, Uniswap is basically most of where the trading is done with this coin right now. Okay, so it's not on a lot of exchanges. Only 46,000 followers, and you can see they trade up with 30x leverage. So this is a high risk play. I'm going to show you something here in the sequence. You can pay attention to this coin. Okay, so always looking for setups where there's opportunities because don't know what's going to be going on with Bitcoin. Okay, so with this coin, it's not as volatile as some other cryptos. So this is one that I've noticed that you definitely want to check this one on logarithmic scale on your chart and off a logarithmic or linear scale with your chart. Okay. Oh, by the way, before I forget, drop a like, hit that subscribe button. All right, guys. So this is plenty. I went through it real quick. I'll show you the sequence that came out with this. They made an A wave here. You can see that right there. It's your divergence, your peak there to there. It came down, did a flat. And then here is your next C wave with your divergence right there. Okay. So confirmation, impulse, making ABC. And then you have another one right here. A, B, C. Confirmation of your divergence, your bullish divergence down there. And you get your divergence again right down there. Okay. So good to go. Now it's in this sequence. It just did an A. There's your bearish divergence from that peak to that peak. Now it's going to come down and complete a B. Okay. And then it's going to go back up onto a C, more than likely. I'm going to show you why I'm getting those targets right there on the trend. It's on this area for the trend, touch, and you got more or less one probably right in that area for a touch here. This was a throwover, highest peak. You got a real high peak on that RSI. This telling me that this could fall short in that area. And you have touches over in there. So this is probably the structure that GMX is doing right now, in my opinion. So it looks like there's going to be a correction coming up, okay, with that bearish divergence to those areas. So target, I would check it off of log, guys. So here it is off of log, okay. This is probably going to be a better way to deal with this coin. It's just not as volatile as other cryptos for obvious reasons, as you can see, guys. So here's it down like that. So here's what I would suspect on a retrace on a coin like that. As you can see, that 382 to the 618 and a 50% retrace on that B. It's going to be the target areas down there. And then it's going to most likely go up onto the C. Okay, so that's what that 382, 50% to 618 off of log. That's where I'd be checking this one first. And then a extension on this right here. If you check that off of log, it targets that area 1.618. Okay, so these are going to be the areas right here. This would be the first target, 57, and it could go as high as 76, guys. All right, so let me put it on log, and I'll show you the target 2 on a logarithmic scale. Let me recheck that real quick with a fib retrace, fib extension down to that area. And if it hits the bottom of the box, you can see the 786 to 1-to-1. There's a general area like there, right there in this area. Okay, this definitely has targets for the coin like this. Okay, so just remember, I can't stress that enough. This coin is not hitting logarithmics as well as that. This is probably better to do it like this, guys. So you're going to have maybe somewhere from here to here target, and then depending on where the box is, 100, 200, and then a potential 2x right there on this coin, guys. I mean, very in my opinion, risky play, but this is more than likely the move that it's going to do, something like that. Take it up back, go back on log, you can see the structure of it, the logarithmic structure of it, and then on linear or arithmetic scale, however you want to call that, more than likely. Okay, so This could be an explosive wave. So obviously there's a correction coming up, more than likely. I'm kind of still expecting that in the crypto market. I still think there's a correction coming up, and then it's going to have a move upwards. Okay. This last move right here, this A wave, it took it basically 47 days. So you can expect this move over here to take, about 45 to 50 days, more or less. So you're looking at a 30 to 45, maybe 60 days for a 2x right there, guys. So, all right, I was just letting you know that with GMX. Like I said, not financial advice. It is a very, very risky play. Anything that is involved with any of that leverage, it can fall apart real quick. So be very, very careful in a coin of this nature. But it's setting itself up to do a little bit more of a blast right over here that will end quickly and abruptly, and it'll turn around. Once it gets up there, it's going to turn around just as quick as it got up there too, in my opinion, guys. All right, if you made it all the way to the end of my video, do appreciate you. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.